Okay, guys, sorry about the sound of the air conditioner in the background. Okay, this is the leftovers from yesterday's meal where I made. Get out. Down. He's nosy. He's trying to see what's going on up here. But anyway, this is the leftovers from the meal that I made yesterday with the crepes that was stuffed with chicken, broccoli, cauliflower, and I topped them with a tomato, onion, garlic relish. I have um, five crepes, five crepes left. So what I'm gonna do this time is let me show you what I'm making. Hold on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with the leftovers, I'm gonna make some udon noodles and I'm gonna mix it all together with the chicken and the tomato relish. And then I am going to make some cheese crepes, as sides. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Oh, and I also wanted to let you know this is the chicken broth that I made. I boiled the chicken in, and I'm going to use this to cook the udon noodles in, and it'll give it lots of flavor. Okay, seriously, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, the broth is boiling, and it's got chicken pieces in there along with other spices and seasonings. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so deliciousness. Okay, so here are the udon noodles that we're getting ready to put in the chicken broth. And my husband is going to do it while I'm recording. Come on, babe. Okay, he's putting the udon noodles in. And I like cooking with these noodles because it doesn't take them that long to get ready, and you can tell when they're done because they float to the top. So I would rather cook with these noodles than to cook with regular pasta. Okay, guys, now my husband is getting ready to start stirring a little bit to make sure they don't stick together. And now that we have this started, I'll be back to show how we mix it together. And then we're going to finish it off with the cheese stuffed crepes. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, here is everything all mixed together. We decided to keep the broth instead of draining it, and after we added the noodles and chicken and vegetables and the tomato relish in, it kind of soaked up the juice. So that's pretty good. So we took the leftovers from yesterday's meal, and now we have a totally different meal. I added some Hidden Valley ranch seasoning for some flavor, and I added some paprika for a little color. That was my husband's idea. I mean, I'm okay with color too, but as long as the food is healthy and tastes good, that's all that matters to me. Now, earlier in the video, I was talking about making crepes. I didn't feel like it, so what I made instead, which you guys already know, golden brown biscuits. And my husband used a garlic butter to put in here. So this is what we're having for dinner. I'm gonna plate everything up and let you see what it looks like. Okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. All plated up. As you can tell, this is my husband's plate because he got the 3 biscuits. My son and I will eat 2. But anyway, normally I would cover everything with cheese, but I wanted to show the paprika. So I didn't cover everything with cheese. I was supposed to make crepes, cheese stuffed crepes to go with this meal. But I didn't feel like it. So we changed it up to biscuits. I do plan on making the crepes again. But instead of using the pre-made ones, hold on a second. I'm sorry, guys. Let me show you. Instead of these, they come 7 in a box, and they're made with wheat. Now, don't get me wrong. These crepes and stuff, for something quick and simple and something small, they're perfect. But I really like stuffing my either crepes or taco shells and everything. And when I go to the store, I always buy the largest taco shells that you can get. I normally get them from Gordon Food Store because at that place you can get different flavors along with the bigger size. So next time I do the crepes, I am going to do them from scratch using a Swedish. I'm going to do Swedish pancakes. Those are thin, just like crepes. You know, depending on where they come from, they have different names, but they're all the same. That way I can make the size that I need to fill them the way I want to fill them. So check this out, guys. This is what we're having for dinner. We transformed the leftovers. Doesn't it look deliciousness, guys? Look at that. Golden brown biscuits. We did a chicken noodle soup only because we kept the broth. And I added a little cheese and some paprika. Now tell me that's not enough to feed a hungry belly. Happy eating. And P.S. guys, I will be making cooking videos on a regular basis. So thank you for joining in and, coming along with me on this journey. All right, guys. I don't plan on this video being long, so I'm going to cut it off right now. Bye for now.